There are 7 paragraphs this chapter at the high school. In the first para, we discussed about the reward, second para about punishment, third para about the games and headmaster, second para punishment, games and headmaster, para 3 about the headmaster, fourth para carelessness of gymnastics and cricket, remission of fines, para 5 handwriting, plus para 6 next subject. Look at the paragraph here. Sanskrit however proved a harder task, a difficult task, tough task. In geometry there was nothing to memorize, whereas in Sanskrit, in geometry there are nothing to memorize. Geometry रे मन रखिबा ब मुखस्थ करिया बोली किछि नथिला, whereas in Sanskrit I thought everything had to be learnt by heart. कौन सी चिंता करूथिले? Everything had to be learnt by heart. The subject, this subject was also commenced. What is commenced? Here commenced means start. To commence means start. So this subject, this subject also was commenced from the 4th standard. This subject means Sanskrit was also commenced, started from the 4th standard. Okay. As soon as I entered the 6th, as soon as I, Gandhiji, entered to 6th class, I became disheartened. Here disheartened means lost courage. Disheartened means lost courage. Okay, so as soon as I entered 6th, Gandhiji became disheartened means he had no courage. The teacher was a hard taskmaster, only giving tasks, exercises, activities. The teacher was a hard taskmaster. Okay, anxious means worried. As I thought, to force the boys. He always forced the boys for the tasks given. There was a sort of rivalry. Rivalry means competition, competitors. Here rivalry means competition. A sort means kind. Sort means kind. There was a sort of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. Kaga bhitar competition chalthila between the Sanskrit teacher and the Persian teacher. There was a kind of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit teacher as well as the Persian teacher. The Persian teacher was lenient. Lenient means soft. Here lenient means liberal. Lenient means liberal or soft. Who was lenient? The Persian teacher. The conflict was found between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. The boys used to talk among themselves. The boys used to talk among themselves that Persian was very easy and the Persian teacher was very good and considerate to students. Conversation Persian was easy in comparison to Sanskrit. That means teacher को देखिए कहउछन्ते accordingly teacher's point of view. The Sanskrit teacher was a hard taskmaster. He always forces to do the task, so that was the students' rejection. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପିଲାମାନେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ଏଠି ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି The Persian teacher was lenient, soft, liberal. So the boys used to talk about themselves. That Persian was very easy, and the Persian teacher was very good, considerate to the students. पिलानो कथा सब सुने बेसमान से considerate to the students. The easiness tempted me. The easiness, which language? Persian, not Sanskrit. The easiness tempted me, attracted me. Tempt means attracted. हम गोटे जगह tempt हो जाओ, attracted हो जाओ, fascinate हो. Okay, the easiness tempted me, and one day I sat in the Persian class. One day Gandhiji sat in the Persian class. Why? Because as they from the group, what type of discussion came outside? The Persian teacher was lenient, soft-spoken, liberal, considerate to students. That was the easiness. Not language is easy. Easy language को थोड़ी कह जाए Persian was easy. टीचर को देखिए टीचर को नहीं में सीटे जा डिसीजन नहीं चाहते. सो द इजीनेस टेम्प्टेड गांधीजी and one day Gandhi sat in the Persian class. The Sanskrit teacher was grieved. दुख प्रकाश कले. Who? Why? Why was Sanskrit teacher grieved? That Gandhiji sat in the Persian class. He called me to his side and said, who? The Sanskrit teacher called Gandhiji to his side and said, how can you forget that you are a son of Vaishnava father? How can you forget that you are the son of a Vaishnava father? बुझे से कहते how can you forget? तो केमती भूली जाइछु जे तू जने वैष्णव पितांकर when you are the son of the Vaishnava father. You should not forget it. Won't you learn the language of your own religion? निज धर्म रो won't you learn the language of your own religion? निज religion रो language तुम सीखियो नहीं की. Who asked that? The Sanskrit teacher. कौन पूछले? First two questions. How can you forget that you are the son of a Vaishnava father? Second one. Won't you learn? Don't you learn the language of your own religion? If you have any difficulty, why not you come to me? If you found any difficulty in Sanskrit, why not you come to me? Who said? The Sanskrit teacher. To whom? Gandhiji. I want to teach you students Sanskrit to the best of my ability. To the best of my ability. Who said? Sanskrit teacher said, I want to teach you students Sanskrit to be the best of my ability. More best. More दक्षता जितनी हो ताटर ना best of my ability more. तो मुझे provide करें. I will provide the best of my ability to learn Sanskrit. Why not you come? As you proceed further, you will find in things an absorbing interest. What is absorbing? Your absorbing means deep. Asakti जोटा में कहबा profound. So deep interest कथा सुजेट है. As you proceed further means पुनितरे. As you proceed further, you will find in it things of the absorbing interest. ना तुम जब आगु को जीवो proceed further. As you proceed further means as you proceed further in Sanskrit. Sanskrit तुम जब आगु को जीवो, it will provide you the absorbing, the deep interest. What will provide? The learning Sanskrit will provide a deep interest. Okay, deep interest or profound interest. You should not lose heart. You shouldn't lose heart. तुम्हें कौन कह जोटे निरुत्साहित हेबो नाही. Don't show your any discourage. You have to show your courage. Don't lose heart. Come and sit again in the Sanskrit class. come and sit again in the Sanskrit class. इटा गला हमरो पाराशिस्त्र होची सब्जेक्ट ऊपर थिला संस्कृत ऊपर. There are 2 teachers here. They are going on the class rivalry. One is Sanskrit teacher, second one is Persian teacher. Sanskrit teacher was a hard taskmaster. He forces to the students for doing tasks, whereas Persian teacher was very considerate to everybody, considerate to students, very lenient, soft, liberal, and that easiness, that easiness tempted Mahatma Gandhi one day to sit in the class. And when he was watching or learning in his class, Gandhiji was called by the Sanskrit teacher and motivated through some questions that he recalled about the son of Vaishnav father, the language of own religion. ए प्रकार कथा कही ताको मोटिवेट करिया थरे फेरी आनिथिले. Then let us go to the para 7, last paragraph. Paragraph 7. This kindness put me to shame. This kindness put me to shame. मैंने संस्कृत शिक्षक तो संस्कृत टीचर जो ए प्रकार देखेले, डोंट लॉस हॉट. As you proceed further, you will find things in absorbing interest, deep interest तुमको लगिबो. ए प्रकार जो मोटिवेशन देखैथिले एठे, this kindness put me to shame. मते ए प्रकार दया रे मु निजको लज्जित मन कली बोले गांधीजी कहउछन्ती. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Regard सम्मान दबा, disregard असम्मान करबा. Gandhiji could not disregard his teacher's affection. Today I cannot but thank with gratitude of Krishna Shankar Pandya. Who was Krishna Shankar Pandya? The Sanskrit teacher. I cannot but thank with gratitude, Kritagyata, gratitude means, of Krishna Shankar Pandya. For if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit that I learned then, that I learned Sanskrit, acquire, grahana kariba, get, obtain. For if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit knowledge madhya gain karna thante, sikhi na thante, okay, I should have found it difficult to take any interest in our sacred books. Sacred books means holy books, the Gita, the books of religion, Mahabharata, Ramayana. से कौन कहते थे जदि मो संस्कृत टीचर ठारू टिके भी लिटिल संस्कृत जदि मो लर्न कर पार न थांती, दैट मीन्स आज मो कोनोसी प्रकार लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मध्ये मो देखै पार न थांती कोनोसी पवित्र ग्रंथ, हिंदू धर्म रो पवित्र ग्रंथ पढ़िबा पई से कथा से उठै छ देठे. इन फैक्ट आई डीपली फॉर रिग्रेट. इन फैक्ट आई रिग्रेट मीन्स दुख प्रकाश करबा, सैड. Okay, in fact I deeply regret that I was not able to acquire more through knowledge of the language. कौन पे से regret प्रकाश करछन्ती? Gandhiji felt deeply regret that he was unable to acquire means get, obtain more knowledge thoroughly of the language. Here language means Sanskrit. Okay, this is all about at the high school. So it is an autobiography. In the first stanza we have pointed about the rewards, prizes, achievements of Mahatma Gandhi at the high school. In the second paragraph, about corporal punishments, games. Gandhiji thought that gymnastics and cricket are not the part of education. Finally, he well known that he himself motivated that for a curriculum of mental training, physical training should be a part. In paragraph 3, Gandhiji needed some time to serve his father, so he exempted to he wanted to free the fine that the headmaster forced him. In paragraph 4, that was about the complete carelessness of school, and how when his father told to the headmaster about the truth, the penalty, the fine was remitted. In para 5, we have known about the handwriting, how good handwriting is the part of education, how it is beautifully formed. First of all, handwriting is not a part of education. Gandhiji believed that, but when he went to England and South Africa, when he saw the beautiful handwritings of lawyers, other officials at the time, he knew that, and he opined that good handwriting is a part of education. In para 6, there is a comparison between the Sanskrit teacher and the Persian teacher. Sanskrit teacher was a hard taskmaster, whereas our Persian teacher was very lenient. One day he attracted to Persian classes and said that at the time very politely, the Sanskrit teacher Rishabh Shankar Pandey motivated and understood Gandhiji to continue the Sanskrit class, and finally in the class in para 7th, Gandhiji was so grateful, feeling so gratitude for the Sanskrit teacher, that in the guidance of the Sanskrit teacher today, at that day, she should have interest to read or study the sacred books. These are all about the summarization of his autobiography, Gandhiji's autobiography at the high school. Vande Mataram.